What about my skincare family? What not do? Wanna skin there? Tell me all about it, people. I want to know because right now I have something to tell you right now. People, listen to me. You not hear about the nice soap them. You not hear about the nice cream them. You not hear about the nice gel them. People, uno go on good way, you know. Uno talk about things them right from here. So, people, I'm going to tell you some lightening soap right now where you can use on your face while you're using your lightening cream and you make your face flawless. People, just hold on a bit. Don't even move a muscle. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload a new video. You don't want to miss out it. You want to come first, right? Tap your tappers. But anyway, guys, on to the next clip. Right now, if you use one soap and it don't work for you, that's your right now. Because I'm going to tell you this one is a medicated soap. It's called Metasol. You see when you put on that on your face, you wash your face with it. Well, tell us your face cool like cucumber. Yes. Straight. Cool like cucumber. Yes. When you put on your cream, when you wash your face and something there, and put on your cream, when me tell you say, face a come off properly. One next one is the Idol soap. What there? What do you know about Idol soap? People, Idol soap, take off bump, take off dead skin, take... Oh, which part one did there? Which one? People, let me tell them say excited about the soap, baby. Excited about the soap. That's why we have to talk. Yo, you see the next one is Tap Masal. Tap Masal, but your friend, you need to try it out. Yes, me never tell you to use all of the soap one time. You see, if this is the recommended soap, to use one of them. Don't use all of them. Yes. So, if you have bump and pimples and all of them something there, you just use to wash your face. One next one is the pear soap. People, the original brown one, I'm not talking about the mint one. The mint one, nice to be with me. I tell you, make your body feel sweet. But not lie, it's true. But talking. Anyway, the next one, people, is the papaya soap. The one that mark with the England on it. When I take it out of the pack, you can look at the back and look if it come from England. People, talk up to me, I'm doing it right now, people. People, you see that when you use the warm water to wash your face? You think I dream me make? Oh, don't like pretty? I will get pretty. Man, I'm not lying to you. Anyway, guys, sorry for being so passionate about the soaps, guys, but people, I used those soap before. I mean, I'm telling you, I use a black soap, but I don't think I like it as much as the soaps that I talk about that I've tried out before and them work for me. Like, yes, them work for me. Anyway, guys, like up the channel, share up the channel. Yeah, bye guys, love and peace. Until next time. I said next time, and watch the video before you leave. Right, so? Alright, so? People, go and watch more videos.